Hello gamers, what's up everybody? Welcome to another video of Happy Wheels. So I've been out for quite a long time because I had some problems and you know what, finding for games upon which I'll make my next videos on, and also I'm thinking of launching a series in the channel over some most interesting games that I found on the internet, but that will be not now but in the near future. I'm thinking of doing that. Okay, so today's video is about some super cool, easy, busy, lemon squeezy user created levels of Happy Wheels. Let's watch someone get hurt as fuck. Here it is, the level. Oh god, look at it, the blood splitting all around through the cannon. Oh god, just feel it, so satisfying. I'm gonna do it once again. Damn, bro. God. The next one is death in 5 seconds. Okay, we have Steve. Okay, what is that in my head? It is that boom. Oh god. What the hell just happened? No, that is a boom. Go, Steve. Just go, jump, you fucker. What about the leg? No. God. I have to do it once again. Go, Steve. Jump over that. No. Just go. Jump over that. Yes. Ah. How can I do it? Go, Steve. Just jump over it. Yes. Keep the speed. Go. Oh yes. Oh, it just blasted, but I'm safe now. God gracious. Okay, my favorite one is the spike fall with Steve. Just go easy, nice and easy. We can make it. We have done it. Go. Am I doing? Oh God. Again, Steve, nice and slow. Go with this with an average speed. Just go. Yes. I think I've got this. We have got this. This is the end. No, Miss B just an inch. No. Okay, I will do it once again. Steve, just nice and easy. Come on, you can't get over that. Come on, Steve. Okay, nice and easy. Come on. Bruh. What the hell, man? God, I have to do it once again. I thought it was easy. I thought it was gonna be easy. Come on, Steve. I think I've done it. We've got it. I've done it. No. That is not the way it was supposed to be. Steve, come on. I thought it was easy. I thought it was supposed to be easy. Come on, Steve. Yes, we have done it. We got it. This is the end. No, just an inch. How can I miss this? Oh God, Steve. Game, you can't do this. Half of my body touched the victory line. Come on, game. You got this. Come on, Steve. Oh God, the blood splitting. Oh God. I have to do it once again. Come on, Steve. This is the shot. You've got the shot. Come on, Steve. You can't go over that. How can you run that vehicle? How can you run that? God gracious. I cannot do this. I cannot tolerate this. Come on, Steve. We can do this. Yes, just leave this. Leave the vehicle. That's the streak. Oh God. That's the trick. I'm gonna leave the vehicle. I'm gonna leave it and I'm gonna win. I've got gut feeling. I've got good feeling. I will win. Yes. I will win. Come on, Steve. Come on. We've got this. Oh yes. Yes, that's the victory. That's the trick of this level. That's the trick. I do it. Yes. That's how you do it. That's the complete. Okay, so I've got Harpoon Run. Okay, we've got, I guess that's the Billy and Bob level. The irresponsible dad and the irresponsible son. Yes, we have got Billy. Go, Billy. Oh God, we have left over Billy. You got Bob. Oh, the blood. I crossed the victory line, but I'm not in one piece. I'm just scattered over pieces. Come on, Bob, you can do it. You can do it. We can do it. We don't need Billy. We got. Oh God, Billy is just going. Billy left us. We left Billy, then he left us. Come on, Bobby and Billy. We can do it. Take the thrust. Yes, go. We can do it. Oh God. I just lost my head in first. Then my whole body gets blasted into pieces, scattering through the harpoons. Okay, we've got it. Billy and Bobby. Yes, we can do it. Come on, we've got the speed. Come on, Bobby. Come on, Bobby. Keep the balance. We can do it. Yes. We took away Billy and we took away Bobby and we won. That's how you do it. But still, I'm not in the stage, but whatever. I won. Okay, so the next one is about, I think it is the don't touch or don't move. It's so bizarre. The level is so bizarre. Like, I didn't touch my keyboard. And look how it is going. Okay, I've gotten the cannon. So my leg left my body now. Oh god, that was so close. It's so much accurate. The levels and the placements of the objects is so much accurate. Okay, Bobby is on one leg and no hands. He've got no hands. One leg and no hands. We can do it, Bobby. We can do it. This level ours. Okay, so I think we get rid of the bike now. Yes. Okay, now I've got no legs and no hands, just the middle part of my body, and I'm flying through this level like an paralyzed person who got no hands and no legs. Okay, I think this is over. Okay, this time I have got in the cannon pretty well. Okay, now just my body remains. Oh god, now the heart and the liver and the lungs just remain. Now the camera is just focusing on the heart. Is this over? I think it is not. Is it still going? Is this over now? No, the heart is still flying around the world. Come on. It's so amazing. Did you know that flamingos can only? I couldn't read that. Okay, so my heart is like rocking over the area, and I think this will not end. I think it just crashed. The level just got crashed. I don't know what will happen now. Oh my god, that was amazing. That old man, I just restored his heart. Oh god, that was bizarre. God, it was so amazing. The level was so amazing. So amazing. Okay, so now I'll play Don't Move 3. This is the same. I will not touch my keyboard. Okay, this time I've got Steve. As far as I remember, in the last level, I didn't get Billy. I just got Bobby. Like, where's my son? You guys took away my son. No, you can't do that to me. You can't do that to Bobby. You can't do that to Bobby. You can't take away his son. His son is so much favorite. Okay, whatever. Steve. That was it. Like, the level, that was it. It just goes in a loop until the whole body gets away. Okay, so the next bit is about. It's again death in 5 seconds. It's again Steve with his 2 wheels. I don't know the name of this object. I don't know. Click here to kill him. Click here when you kill the bully. Now I'll click her. That is it. Whatever. I got fun. It's amazing killing people. I was just joking, but in the game it's amazing to kill people. Okay, what if I go over it? Will I be able to kill myself? What if I go over it? Come on, Steve, make the jump. You can do it, Steve. Just go back, take the speed. Yes, and yes, like this way. And now what if I click here? Will I die? Oh, it just makes me win anyway. Okay, so next one is bow throw. Okay, we have got the Pogo Pete. Okay. What just happened here? What the hell just happened here? Oh my god. I have to do it the pretty accurate way. I cannot die here. I cannot make Pete. Oh my god. What was that? The harpoons just aimed in my head. Come on, no! My head, it hurts. Come on, Pete, you can do it. No, don't die here. Don't die under the table. Don't die under the swords. Oh god. How can I do it? How can I complete this? How can I do it? Come on, why did you leave the pogo? Come on, Pete, you can do it. Just don't die. Yes, I think if I make a roll here. Oh god. How can I do it? Come on, Pete. My body got scattered into pieces. Come on, I can do this. Yes, like this way. I think the harpoon's over. I think the loaded harpoon's over. Come on. How can you do this? Oh no, I got stuck. Those harpoons just hit my butt and I got stuck on the pole. I don't know how will I be able to lose it. I don't know anything. Come on, Pete, you can do it. God. Again, I have to restart it. Okay, so take a roll, dodge the harpoons. Oh god. I didn't die. I didn't die. Oh my god, Pete, you can do this. You can do this time. You can do this. Come on, come on. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. It's so close to victory. I'm so close to victory. Don't get stuck. Come on, Pete, you can do it. I will leave Pogo. I will leave the Pogo. I don't need the Pogo. I don't need the Pogo team. Just go. Just go. Yes, that's victory anyway. I just died. I just died with the bomb blast, but that's victory anyway. So hip hip hooray! We played the trick. We won. Okay. So next one is it's Pogo something. I got to choose the character. Okay, not this one, not this one, not him, not the old guy, not the Pogo page. This one, the two children and the mom. Okay, so babies abroad. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened here? Look at my bicycle. It just burst into pieces. Oh my god, look at it. God, it's so dangerous. And that's all for today. I played so many levels, and in the last level you were seeing the part of that lady and the children's. They just scattered all over the places and the blood flowing all around. Whatever, I played so many levels which you just saw, and playing all of them was fun. Happy Wheels is really an amazing game. If you can see blood, if you can only see bloods, like so many levels, there's got so many liters and liters and gallons of bloods, just bloods. It's pure red bloods. Whatever, today's episode was fun, and I'm gonna leave this episode right here. If you liked it, punch the like button in the face, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. It will help a lot. Till then, see you in the next video.